Okay, so Maya is going to install AnyConnect on her computer to prepare for the exam. So Lawrence, were you the one who knew how to do it? And you can just tell her where she should go to find AnyConnect?
Yes, she should type in Google Goethe-Uni VPN. Yes, it's the first link.
Okay.
And now what should she do?
Now she should go to Installation on the left-hand side under Aktuelles. Yes, and there she can follow the steps.
Oh, okay. So
is this her Uni address?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What now?
Now I think she has to go to AnyConnect.
Start AnyConnect.
Yes. Yes, and there we have the download link.
Open file. Is that what she needs to do? Open file?
Yes.
Okay. I think you have to read like 20 pages or something. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so now it's actually installing it.
Yes, and I think the next steps should be yeah, the easiest one. Easiest ones.
Oh, I hope my internet works well. Okay, finish. Shouldn't it open?
She now has it? Does she now have it?
Yes, I think so, yes. Now it should execute the program, and the next step should be just typing in the HRZ Zugangsdaten.
So she
should I open it right here?
No, that's the installer. I think you should look it up, tap on the Windows symbol maybe, and look for AnyConnect. It should be right at the top, starting with A. Yes, there was it. There it was.
Okay, so I need the code. Where should I get it?
And this is the code probably where you're going to get it, right? Is this the code that you're going to receive?
Yeah, email.
From the HRZ account.
Okay.
Yeah. And he said he was going to put them out, send them out today. Yeah. So on Monday.
After you received the code, you paste it in there, and after you hit connect, you have to confirm your HRZ Zugangsdaten. You have to put in your username starting with S and password and so on, and then you are connected.
Okay, and also keep that email, because the L+, then you have to put a different password, the one that they send you for the exam. Okay, but I think you're one step further, right? Now you have AnyConnect on your computer.